One of the largest outbreaks in El Paso County we've been tracking, the jail complex. Hundreds of positive cases for staff and inmates, which are not only impacting life inside the jail complex, it's also affecting our court system. Our Colette Bordelon live there tonight with the latest. Colette?
Yeah, that's right, Rob. Nearly 700 inmates and almost 60 staff members have tested positive for the virus. Now inmates can't be physically taken to the courthouse, and it has one local attorney saying it's just another timely challenge caused by COVID.
Locked inside the jail, coronavirus is spreading.
Mind you, there's people from all walks of life in there, but we're still people.
Brandy Labus says she was released from the jail last week, right when these cases started popping up.
All of a sudden, we were told to go and sit on our bunks and be quiet.
After she left the jail, things really started picking up. On October 29th, 21 staff members and 64 inmates tested positive. Just a few days later, on the 1st, that jumped to over 30 staff and around 130 inmates. And now 57 cases among staff, and inmate positive tests are at almost 700.
It messes with your mental health, your emotional health. We're criminals, but we're not less human beings.
They're mirroring what we're seeing in the community at large.
Dr. Robin Johnson of El Paso County Public Health says even if you were to remove the COVID cases in the jail from the overall numbers, we would still be seeing record increases in the county.
This is the concern that we have, that once we reach that kind of tipping point of burden of disease, it'll spill into these larger outbreaks.
And what happens in the jail ends up in the courtroom.
We can expect significant delays.
Attorney Stephen Longo says he's had one case pushed back 3 times already, and that was before this outbreak.
It just creates a nightmare for a criminal docket that for most courtrooms is already backed up, probably beyond recovery for this year.
They're still presumed innocent. They're innocent until proven guilty.
The sheriff's office says the threat of infection will only continue to increase in the next few weeks, although no inmates have been hospitalized at this point.
The sheriff's office is setting up a virtual system for inmates to go to their court dates. They expect that system to be fully up and running by the end of the year. Always watching out for you, El Paso County. Colette Bordelon, News 5.